But look at the size of this leak, man. That's crazy. There's just a hole in a line here. Now, I'm working on this Hoover spotless carpet and upholstery cleaner. It leaks when it's running. And, you know, a very, very common problem, but also, fortunately, a very simple thing to fix. Now, there's two places it could leak. One is on the suction side. So, you know, let's say you're vacuuming and you're getting leaks around here. Could be a gasket problem. The other thing is it can leak from the cleaning solution side. So the easiest thing to do is just to run it and see if it's sudsing when you're not sucking any water. So instantly we can tell that it's leaking from the cleaning solution side. So let's just take this apart a bit. We'll figure out, you know, why it's doing what it's doing. So down in here, there are screws. There's 3 of them. Let's just start on this side, since this is the cleaning solution side. With a Phillips, we'll just yoink these screws. I'm going to go ahead and take off these on the other side, just so I have more visibility. All right, let's see if this tray will lift up without incident. The whole thing wants to lift up. Cool. We'll get out this tray as well. And then will this just come off so we can get good visibility? Comes off enough. There's some wires and things, but we can tilt it back without incident. Then we get good visibility inside of here. Alright, I'm going to take off this front cover so we can see better where the water is actually coming from. Get this little holder off. There's little plastic tabs that hold this on. We should be able to get it loose, get under it. And what can we see? Oh, there's another line under here. All right, let's put the cleaning solution back in its spot without all those covers, and let's just see what happens when we give it another test run. As you can see, there's a pretty serious leak. There's just a hole in a line here. And so that line goes underneath the motor. So let's take some screws out. I think we can get this motor out of here with 5 screws. Let's try those real quick. Oh, there's one I missed. So it'll be 6 screws. There's one way back here in the back that's hard to see. Let's get to it. Alright, now let's give it a shot. Oh, and it just comes up real nice and easy. So we are leaking from the hose in the front, and that is coming from this pump right here. Ooh, yeah. So this little section of hose here to here is what we need to replace. It's got zip ties holding it on. Alright, so I'm just going to cut it right here. I don't have a good pair of dikes, so I'm just going to try it with these tin snips. See if I can get in there and give it a cut. Alright, there's one side. There's the other side. So I can get it off. It fits so well. I don't know if we really even need these zip ties on it. So I'm actually going to take this one off too, if I can. Because I want to take this piece with me so I can size the hose properly at the store. I'm actually really struggling to get this thing off. Let's try holding on to the plastic bit and just giving it a yank. Ugh. So I'm going to Ace Hardware. Ace Hardware It's sort of like the last hardware store still in existence in my town. The Lowe's and Home Depots and Walmarts put all the locally owned ones out. These are typically franchises. This particular one's actually owned by an investment group that owns like 10, local ones to my region. So it's not all that local, but I don't feel too bad shopping here. But what I mean by real hardware stores, they got parts you can buy, like individual nuts and bolts and washers and all that stuff. So this is what I'm talking about. They got everything. And so how's this priced? 19 cents per foot, maybe. They might be charging by the foot. All right, so it wasn't the 19 cents I thought it was. Turns out they had it mislabeled. It's actually 29 cents per foot, and plus tax, so 31 cents for this repair. They got me. Money digging. No, that's just, isn't it incredible that you can do that you can go somewhere and just get exactly what you need for just bare bones prices. All right, I got my new piece of line on here with a few zip ties. The difference in this acrylic tube that I bought, which is what they had in stock, is it's not stretchy, whereas this one is very stretchy. So I assume this is either a silicone. It doesn't look like latex. Latex is more yellow, but latex is something else they sell there. They sell latex tube in case you want to make a slingshot. But yeah, I'm just gonna get this assembled real quick and test it. Time for the moment of truth. Nothing coming out. Let's do an auto clean. All right. Yeah, everything's operational. So these, they're all out of stock, so I think they've been discontinued. But they're right around $100, $110 or so. So yeah, my junk find is fixed for 31 cents, and now I can clean up pet stains on the couch and whatever things spilled in the car. Pretty cool. So anyways, the point of this is don't forget about the hardware store. Try Ace or whatever local thing. Hopefully you have local ones left. Go there. Just buy what you need. Give them your 31 cents. Fix your $100 tool, and I don't know. You're helping yourself, and you're helping a local business or a semi-local business, a local franchise perhaps. Whatever. Anyways, I hope the video was useful. Y'all be good. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right. Catch you later. Bye.